If you want to take a long screenshot on the Motorola Edge 70, here's what you can do. So first of all, we need to open a browser, the page where we can scroll, or an app of course. In my case, I'm gonna use the Google app as an example, because over here we can just scroll down pretty much endlessly. And then we're gonna capture a screenshot. You can use any of the methods that you know to capture a screenshot. In my case, I'm gonna use 3 fingers. I'm gonna touch and hold with 3 fingers. And over here, as you can see on the preview, we have this button with 2 arrows, and now the screenshot is scrolling down. We can also see on the preview how much we have scrolled, and of course, if you want to, you can manually keep going. And then once you cannot scroll further down, we can use this red button over here in order to crop out the area, extend the screenshot, and there we go. We should be able to see it over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.